Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'm back with another head wrap video, elegant one. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, share, follow us, like, and leave us a comment in the comment section. So if you're on a natural hair or any hairstyle, make sure your hair is well secured because this head wrap will be showing off your hair. Okay, the style we are going to achieve today will be showing off your hair. Okay, and here is my gele or my hair wrap or my material, whatever you call it. Okay, and I'll be folding it into three, and I'll be taking the 2/3 of it to wrap first. Okay, just watch closely. You can see the way I'm trying to fold it. Don't just squeeze it, try to arrange it a little. Okay, then you get this out. Okay, plus or minus, this is the way we are going to hold it, like, folding it into three, then holding the 2/3 of it. All right, so, and I will go ahead to get my rubber band or hairband, whichever one you have. I prefer using hairband, okay, because rubber band can, cut off or something, but with this hairband I'm good to go, and I'm very sure it's going to, stick in there. All right, so make sure it's well tight, well secured, and then we will open it up. Okay, and while I'm opening it up, I'm trying to find the front side of the gele, okay, of the material, so that it will be what will be showing. Then you see how I wrap it on my head, then we'll take it to the back under my hair. Okay, if you don't have a long hair, you can just secure it just at your where you packed your hair down there. Okay, or if you have a long hair, you can just secure it under your braids or under your ponytail or under whatever you have. Okay, you can see this going under my braid. Okay, where I packed it, I'm securing it under. Okay, make sure it's well secured, but do not make it too tight, because when it's too tight you are going to feel headache, and for this hairstyle we don't want to feel headache, we want to feel comfortable, okay, with our hair wrap. And I will go ahead to secure the short side of the material in there. As you can see, yeah, you can see how I'm, trying to secure it in there. Make sure it's well secured, it's not flying out and all that. Okay, and the remaining part of the material, I'm going to go ahead to fold it this way, to roll it, to give it a beautiful roll. Okay, be gentle, be kind. Okay, be gentle, be kind, because this hairstyle is everything for, did I say hairstyle? This hair wrap, this head wrap is everything and for all occasion. Okay, you can see I secured it in there. Make sure it's well secured, and I will go ahead to open up this other side of the material where we used the hairband to secure. Okay, the one that is popping up in there, we'll go ahead to make something like rose or flower. Just open it up and flow with the flow of the material. Go with the flow. Okay, just go with the flow, roll it round, try to open it up. Make sure you cover the rubber band or the hairband that you used that is not showing. And if you're not comfortable or you don't know, you can just try to get the two tips and use your pin to secure it in there. But for this video, I didn't use any pin. So if you don't have pin, okay, this hair wrap video is for you. Okay, just go ahead, open it up, just play with it, be creative with it while you're opening it up, give it some gentle touch. Okay, and boom, you are good to go. You got good to go. This is looking so cute. I love the concept that it has this side. Okay, you can see it has one concept on one side and a different concept on another side. That's one thing I love about this head wrap. Okay, you can see it's well secured. Okay, you are not afraid if whether it's going to fall off. When I mean elegant, this is called elegant, okay? And when I'm posing for my photo shoot, pose this side, then and I will turn to the other side and pose for my photo shoot. Okay, this is 2 in 1 head wrap style. Okay, you can see I love the fact that my braids are dropping, showing my braids down there. Okay, and the hair wrap is well secured. The concept, you can see this is perfect. This is beautiful. I love everything about this hair wrap. Okay, just help me to rate it in the comment section, and let me know if you are going to try it out. And when you try it out, please come to the comment section and let me know that you did. If it was easy or it was difficult, just let me know in the comments, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. I see all the love you guys are showing me. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate. God bless you. Till my next one. Bye.